Hello there and welcome to this iOS 5 development tutorial series. So this series consists of actually 52 videos, and in order to jump into the video that you want to watch, if you are familiar with iOS development and you want to check a specific topic, so I'll be giving you an overview of all these videos. So first of all, this is video number 0, which is the table of contents. Number 1 is talking about why iOS, why did I choose this topic, and why did I choose iOS for mobile development, not any other platform. Lessons number 2, 3, 4, and 5 are actually Objective-C tutorials, which is the language used for iOS development. So these are only for revision tutorials for Objective-C. They are not detailed ones, just an overview of Objective-C. Of course, if you want to get more information about Objective-C, refer to another references. Now, in lesson 6, we start using Xcode, which is the IDE used to create apps. So lesson number 6 is actually the hello world on Xcode. Lesson number 7 tells you more about apps icon and launch images, how to change the icons for your applications, and how to edit the launch images, and to control the time that this image will be displayed. So lesson number 8 is about labels and buttons. Actually, from lesson number 8 till, let's say, lesson number which one? Lesson number 32, it's all about the UI elements, which is actually the drag and drop items from the library. So the labels over here are the simple labels, and the buttons. Lesson number 9 is about the text fields that are used to so the user can enter some information like his username, his password, and so on. Number 10 is switches, the on-off switch, not the switch that we are used to in programming. Segmented controls are actually these tabbed, or you can choose one of, let's say, 2, 3, or 4 options. This is called segmented controls. Actually, from lesson number 12 till you reach number 16, this is a slider game. I've created an example that covers all the previous topics and some later topics. So you have lessons 12 to 16, a game that you are able to create your game from lesson number 16, and this is really cool. Lesson number 17 actually is a recap for all the covered material. Lesson number 18 is about web views, how to implement or insert a web view, how to open a web page inside your application without going to Safari. Lesson number 18, 20, and 21 are about maps and how to import maps into your application. Now, lessons number 23 till 30 are about gestures. The gestures, all the different gestures, the tap, pinch, rotate, swipe, pan, and long press. And lesson number 23 introduces you to the different types of gestures. So gestures are actually the way of interaction between you and your device, your iPhone or iPad. When you use 2 fingers, 3 fingers, when you rotate, when you pinch, these are gestures. Now, lesson number 31 is about text view, something where you can type a text and view it. It's just like a label, but for more than one line. Number 32 is a fake loading, which handles the progress view, a progress bar, actually an indicator bar, the one that spins till your contents loads. Number 33 is about timers, and timers is a really important topic. And when learning about these timers, you can proceed to this progress view. The progress view is this line that indicates the progress of your application, the loading, you can say, from 0 to 100. Lesson number 5 is actually about if you want any help, you can refer to Skype and TeamViewer, and I can help you with your projects. Lesson number 6, 36, 37, 38 are about storyboards, which is a new topic introduced in iOS 5. Same thing applied to ARC, automatic reference counting. These are actually iOS 5 topics, but ARC is also applicable for iOS 4. Number 40 is another help tutorial. I've discovered a website called join.me where you can view screens of people from different places, so this is also helpful. Lesson number 41 is about orientations. When you flip or rotate your device in a landscape or portrait mode, this handles the orientations videos. And lesson number 42 is about data persistence, which is saving data inside your application and then using it later on. And lessons 43, 44, 45, 43 and 44 are implementation of the data persistent. They are just examples. Lesson number 45 is explaining about tables, and 46 is implementing these tables in an example. Now 47 is a free account, how to create a free account in the developer.apple.com, how to be a developer. Now 48 and 49 are really important, very important topics. They are one topic, which is iOS Human Interface Guidelines. This is actually a book that you can find in Apple's website, and this book leads you to the correct way in creating your application. They are just tips that you have to follow, or rules that you have to follow in order to get your application approved when submitted to the App Store. Number 50 is actually a gift. I'll keep it as a surprise, so you can guys check it on when you reach lesson 50. And of course 51 is a final iOS. This is actually a goodbye video for this series, and I guess we have now 52 as a total. So I hope you enjoy this iOS 5 development series, and thank you so much. Goodbye.